Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Monday.com detailed guide step by step clearly. To register with Monday.com, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type www.monday.com and press enter. Once the home page loads, look for the Get Started button, usually located in the top right corner. Click on the Get Started button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a new page with options to sign up. Choose the option that best fits your needs, either sign up with email or sign up with Google. If you select sign up with email, enter your create a strong password and input it in the Once you have entered your email and password, click on the sign up button. If you choose sign up with Google, click the button and follow the prompts to log into your Google account. After successfully signing up, you will receive a confirmation email from Monday.com. Check your inbox and click the confirmation link in the email to verify your account. You may be prompted to complete additional steps, such as setting up your profile. Fill in your name and any other requested information. After entering your details, click Next to proceed. Now, you will have the option to choose a template for your boards. Select a template that suits your needs or opt for a blank board to start from scratch. Once you select a template, you will be taken to your Monday.com dashboard. From here, explore the interface and customize your boards as needed. Congratulations, you are now registered and ready to use Monday.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.